Want to grow your business faster in 2025? These 5 AI tools can save you time, automate your work, and boost your income, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. Down pointing finger emoji. Start with ChatGPT. It writes emails, social captions, product descriptions, and customer replies. No more writer's block. You get instant content, 24/7. Use Canva's AI tools to design flyers, ads, reels, and product posts in minutes. It makes every business look pro, even if you're not a designer. Turn your blog, script, or product idea into a video. No editing, no camera needed. Perfect for marketing, YouTube, or Reels. This is how faceless brands scale. Plan, assign, and manage your business tasks with Trello and Butler AI. It keeps your business on track, with less time and less stress. If you're on YouTube, vidIQ AI shows you trending titles, tags, and keywords. This is how small creators go viral fast. Optimize your content, grow your traffic. With these 5 tools, you can automate content, design your brand, create videos, manage your team, grow your traffic. This is how smart founders scale faster in 2025. Which tool are you using already? Drop a comment below. Down pointing finger emoji. Subscribe to AI Profits Lab, new faceless AI growth videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let AI grow your business, so you can focus on profits.